I'm Laura from Creative Drawing Studio in London. We offer art classes for children and adults. We believe that drawing is an enjoyable skill that anyone can learn, so why not give it a go and see what happens? We're going to be drawing a wolf's head, and first we'll look at the size of our area on our picture, and we'll think about placing the two eyes there, and I'll use a 2B pencil and a white eraser. And first I'll place in one eye, which is about there, just a light circle there. And then I'll place in the other eye, very lightly, about there. And I'm going to draw a curvy line around this eye, facing up, and then come back around the other side, face down. And then on the inside I'll draw a dot for the pupil, and I'll leave a little highlight. And go to the other side and draw the eyelid again, there. And then come back around, draw under the eye, like that. And draw in that pupil. Again, leaving a little highlight. Then I'll lightly indicate the bridge of the nose, which comes down, tilting out a bit, and place in the wolf's nose, which is front here, which is a curvy line, kind of narrow at the bottom to a circle, like that. And draw a little curvy line like this, leaving two nostrils at the bottom. Underneath that, we'll put curvy line, which comes out for the top of the mouth there, which comes out for the top of the mouth there. And underneath the jaw, or the bottom lip, we'll just do a squarey kind of curvy line like this. And now I'm going to indicate just a fur line here. It's not a structural line, just of the markings of this wolf, which you can do with little dashes here and here. This will be the white fur. And we'll come around, little dashes here, little dashes on that side. It will join up like this. Maybe I'll extend it out a little bit more, like that. And then mirror image, generally, on the other side. Doesn't have to be exact. That's the markings of their fur. Right at the top here, we're going to put some little dashes for the top of the head, like this. So now we can place the ears on, which will be facing up. And it's kind of a leaf shape, coming down, up with a curvy line, and down and around like this. And we'll place one on the other side. Sort of a rounded point. And again, make sure you're happy with your positioning and the shape. You could always make an adjustment. And now we'll put a bit of the fur on the side of the head. Do little dashes. Coming down like this. They have a thick coat. Let's put in some shading for the fur, but before we do that, let's put in a little bit of the jawline here, like this, and a little bit of the jawline here, which comes right up from this part of the mouth, just to indicate a bit of bone structure. And they have some indentations here, give them a bit more of a predator look. And let's put in the inside of the ears, the area where we would see that, with little dashes. Okay, and now we're ready to do some of the shading of the fur. So I'll use the same pencil again, and I will put some shadowy hatch lines here. This should help you learn to draw a wolf head in a simple way. Give it a go.